Well, hello everyone, and welcome to the Andesite Blue webinar. My name is Benjamin Z. Miller, and I am the founder of Andesite Blue. We've got a great presentation for you today on how you can earn a significant passive income and do something really worthwhile to help with the reconstruction of Ukraine. We're going to go through everything in some detail. Andesite Blue is a United Kingdom company, and we invest into the emerging market of Ukraine. We offer a financial product, a corporate income bond that pays hundreds of basis points more than you might be able to earn on UK gilts and other government bonds. But the nice thing about it is you are able to invest into worthy projects that are in Ukraine across industries, the reconstruction of Ukraine, green energy, technology, all sorts of wonderful projects. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to read a very brief disclaimer, and then I'll go through the rest of the information, and then I'll stop the presentation, stop the recording, and then take any questions that anyone may have. So, about Andesite Blue, our mission, what we are really focused on is providing passive income to bondholders. We are looking for accredited investors in the United Kingdom. Maybe you're a dentist and you're in a situation where you would like to earn some passive income. Andesite Blue can help you. Or perhaps you're an institutional investor and you want to invest with an experienced team in Ukraine where you can do a larger placement. We can work with you closely on your placement to make sure that it works out well for you. The team that we have in place has 250 years of business experience. You can go through their backgrounds on the website if you just go to www.andesiteblue.co.uk. But we have Nigel Brigden. He's in the UK. He's a very experienced banker. He's had a career of over 40 years. We have Christina Katrakis. She's a very experienced professional. In the UK, we have Tetiana Kiltika. She's our corporate secretary. We have Steve Dyball, who's our senior operations management. We have Mike Wilson, who's the co-founder of Andesite Blue. He's an American with business experience with some large companies. He's also a businessman. And myself, I'm from the United States, and I'm an experienced investor. We also have in Ukraine, we have Vasil Milnik, who's a former director in the Ministry of Finance with the government of Ukraine, and we have Anatoly Landman, who's in Ukraine, and he's on our business development team, very experienced businessman. So what exactly are these Andesite Blue bonds, and how does it work? It's a 3 to a 5 year term. We design the bonds as a 3 to 5 year term. And sometimes I'm asked by people, well, why would I buy bonds if there's inflation? Well, that is a great question. And rather than giving my opinion on it, I'm going to talk about a Nobel Prize winning economist, Harry Markowitz. He actually won the 1990 Nobel Prize for economics for some work that he did with modern portfolio theory. And if any of you have accounts at BlackRock or Merrill Lynch or Bank of America or any of these large companies, a lot of their analysis is done. The basis of it is it rooted in modern portfolio theory, which Harry Markowitz developed. And essentially, when it came to his own portfolio, though, he did something totally different. Even though he developed a complicated theory that involved a lot of mathematics, with his own portfolio, he kept it simple. He would put 50% of his money in stocks and 50% of his money in bonds, and then once a year he would adjust. So if the stocks went up a lot in value, he would sell stocks and then he would buy more bonds, or vice versa. If the stocks went down in value, he might sell bonds and buy more stocks. Now, you might think about your own portfolio, folks, and think, what percentage of it is in bonds? You might be in a situation where you need more bonds, but you really don't want to get those low-paying UK gilts because the returns are so meager, so paltry. that you need something that is another type of bond, and that's where Andesite Blue comes in with our corporate income bond. So that's something that is a fantastic opportunity. The returns in emerging markets time and again have been proven to be superior to a lot of the other indexes. Some people put their money in the S&P 500, but in reality, it doesn't perform as well as emerging markets. And the best emerging market in the world right now is Ukraine. Bar none. There is no other emerging market that offers the sort of potential that Ukraine offers. Emerging markets, they beat out everything that's out there. And that's part of the reason that we wanted to really focus on Ukraine. And rather than focusing on a lot of countries, we decided that the best emerging market was Ukraine. The most opportunity was there. And that is the origin of Andesite Blue. But the benefits to you as a bondholder are you can reach your passive income goals more quickly. We can get you on an annual investment program. You let us know how many years away you are from retirement and what you would like to build up to. And we can build a bond ladder that is designed specifically for you to help you reach those goals. We also offer maximum diversification. You're not just investing in one project, you're investing across industries when you make the wise decision to purchase an Andesite Blue bond. Sometimes when I talk to investors, they brag to me that they're in a low-cost index fund. Well, folks, that's great. And I think it's nice that you invested into a low-cost index fund. But frankly, I think no fees are better than low fees. And if you purchase an Andesite Blue bond, you are not paying any fees. You pay zero. We design the financial product where we build the fees into the projects that are out there when we originate the loans. The borrower is paying that. So it is something where our bondholders never pay any fees, and we want to make sure that they are earning top returns. That is so important to us. We wanted a really competitive product, and that's what Andesite Blue is. How do the bonds work? It's quite simple. Basically, you're investing into the emerging market of Ukraine. Right now, it is a prime time to invest. You want to invest while others are scared, and that is exactly the right time to invest, and you will be earning significant passive income compared to what you might be able to earn on UK gilts and other government bonds. We're investing across projects in healthcare, agriculture, real estate, technology, and you can earn some really fantastic returns. You can earn from 7.15% all the way up to 8.85%. It is something where you can lock in those high returns. It is a great opportunity for you. So why should you invest? If you're looking for an above average return, you should look at Andesite Blue. How long term are the bonds? 36 months to 60 months. Can you put the bond into your SIP? Well, that is up to your SIP provider. You need to check with them, but I see no reason that you wouldn't be able to. You're making an investment in a corporate income bond. Who can invest? Accredited investor, sophisticated investor, institution. Come one, come all. We welcome you at Andesite Blue. How's the tax managed? We make it simple. We pay all the money to you folks. We pay everything to you so that it's simple. And then you and your tax professional can decide what taxes you should pay. Are there any limits? We're looking for 100,000 pounds, but we will work with people based on what they need. We're easy to work with, folks, especially if you're just getting started with our annual investment program. Can you get access to the money early? No, folks, this is not like day trading. This is a product that we plan where the money will be available at the right time. And it's something where I encourage you to reach out. Just send me an email, ben.meller@andesiteblue.co.uk. I'll be happy to have a call with you. And if you've got any questions, please just email me, ben.meller@andesiteblue.co.uk. So that is it for the presentation. I'm going to stop the recording, and now I will open it up for any questions.